What if your cloned AI voice could speak through a realistic avatar, fully offline? We'll install Atalink TTS Talker that turns your cloned voice into a talking AI face.
Hi, I am testing on Atalink. Hope you enjoy and like video.
Before starting, make sure you have Python 3.10, Git, and an NVIDIA GPU.
First, we will go to the main page of Atalink and click on Run Locally, as in the video. Copy the code lines into CMD like the video to clone the repo to your computer.
We install virtual environment on CMD.
Now we will install the PyTorch library. I will check which version of CUDA Toolkit my machine is on. Then, I will edit the code accordingly. Now we will edit the requirement file a bit. We will remove the old PyTorch line because we have installed the new version before. Then, save it and run the requirement installation. Now just run the app. Then we open the localhost link to check, and we have run it successfully. Next, I will guide you how to create a bat file to launch next time. First, we will go to app.py to add the line to automatically open the browser. Now create a text file. Add the lines of code in the video. I will also put it in the description. Then save and change the file extension to BAT. Now I will demo to show you how it works. First, you choose the voice you want to clone.
Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
In the reference section, you can skip or import the voice script from the previous audio file. In the content box, enter the video output content. Speed box, I will leave default as 1. Now we will choose the image we want to create talking avatar. In the advanced settings, I will select the boxes that will make the video clearest. Then we will press the Create button. The first time creating will take a long time to download the necessary models. An error pop-up will appear on the screen, but don't worry because we already have the output.
Hi, I am testing on Atalink. Hope you enjoy and like video. Hi, I am testing on Atalink. Hope you enjoy and like video. Hi, I am testing on Atalink. Hope you enjoy and like video. Hi, I am testing on Atalink. Hope you enjoy and like video.
I will try another photo.
Hi, I am testing on Atalink. Hope you enjoy and like video.
That's it! You've installed Atalink TTS Talker and created your first AI talking avatar. Subscribe for more creative AI tool tutorials.